Dating during divorce. This is a common practice, more common than you might think. And it's not always because people move on that quickly, although that's still true. Sometimes it's because divorces can last years and people end up meeting their new partner before the divorce is finalized. When clients come to me and ask me, is it okay if I start dating? Or I met someone and I don't know what to do. I don't want to get in trouble, but I want to see this person. I want to go on dates with them. However, my divorce isn't finalized. What can I do? Number one, just because you meet someone doesn't mean that your priorities are going to shift, especially if your divorce is not finalized. You're still going to prioritize stability for the children and prioritize your divorce case. Along with that advice is a caution not to move too quickly, especially if you have children involved, because they're going to be going through a huge adjustment phase and it may be really difficult for them to see you with someone else. So we are going to caution clients not to introduce a new partner to the children too rapidly, especially if they've already expressed some difficulty with the transition. And lastly, just be mindful of what you post online. This goes for anything, but especially if you're considering posting your new partner before your divorce is finalized. Be careful about what message that might send to your spouse, especially if you're going to head into trial. You don't want to stoke the flames. You don't want to kick the other party while they're down. I know it seems trivial, but a lot of times this is still a very difficult process and people are getting over the emotional hurt and anguish that a marriage is ending. So things like that are only going to make it that much harder for the other party to want to work with you to try and settle your case. Sometimes it can even provoke them to try and hurt you more in the family court system when they see that you are moving on. So you can date people, it's not strictly forbidden, but stay focused on your long-term legal and family goals.